Hopefully you successfully complete this exercise, and now I will go on the same exercise on my side. So the first thing to do is to display the variance table. So I go to View, I go to Tables, I go to Variance. Now you can see busy variance here. You can adjust them and make them neat. Now we have the variance table. The starting and finish dates, and the baseline start and the baseline finish. And we have one more here, which is the start variance, the finish variance. Now the first thing is to put the work variance. So if I put work variance, press enter, I have 16 hours, and it's because I have work variance in line 4, which is 8 hours, another 8 hours in line 14. And the next thing to do is to find the cost variance. So we find the work variance, we will now find the cost variance. Now I have 160 variance, and this is because I have 8 hour extra in line 4, which cost me $80, and I have 8 hours extra in line 14, which also cost me 80 hours. So I have work variance of 16 hours and cost variance of 160. We'll go to the baseline variance, the baseline work. Remember, we have two baseline work. We have baseline 1 work, which is 408 hours, and it's because it goes in line 9. Sorry, it goes from line 9 and also to all of these. It's changing here. So we have an extra hours of 76 hours. So if we go to the baseline work only, it will show us we have difference of 400 hours. Now if I go to work, it will show the total hours working, which is 416 hours. And I can do the same thing for cost. And we can do the same thing, we can just say baseline cost, baseline cost. It will show 5,690. Can just make this little neat here. If we go to baseline 1 cost, it's increased 5,770. It's because of line 4. What is line 4? It goes from 400 to 480, and this is because of the variance of $80. Now I go to the cost, and it shows me 8,850. And this is because of line 13 or 14, which increase from 480 to 560, and this is the $18 cost of variance. And this is how you calculate the baseline work and baseline cost in different baselines and different baseline cost. So in this case, it's easy for you as a project manager to understand what is the cost variance and what is the work variance and how much it costs you for each baseline work. Each baseline, it means there were some variance on it, and if another thing happened to the project, then you make another baseline variance, and it shows you how much hours work total, and it's go the same thing for the cost, and in the end it show you how much it is costing you in total.